everyone, this is One Man, One Camera. Today is November 10th, 2019, and let's take a look at Resorts World Las Vegas. This $4 billion first phase of the project seems to be coming on quite nicely, and in fact, if I look at the top of this, I do believe they've added more windows to the place. Yeah, interesting. So I haven't heard anything publicly about it being late, super late, or anything like that, so I presume that they are still on their schedule and due to open up in 2022, I believe. All right, it's a gorgeous day here in Vegas, not too hot. Like I said, it is a Sunday morning, and people are noisy already. I can hear them across the street. All right, let's change positions. Let's go. All right, you guys, check this out. Look at the colors of the windows. Some are like a brownish and some are darker. Now, I don't know if it's part of the we don't look like the wind, so we'll change our design, agreement or not, but it looks kind of weird. Unless they plan on changing all of the windows to one color, or maybe it will be, hell, I don't know, you guys. It just looks strange, yeah? See, look at that. Some are darker than the other ones. And they've also added some black lines as the trim to the windows. And over here, we have some white lines and some red lines as the trim. And right there, it goes black, white, and then red. So guys and ladies, I have no idea of exactly why this looks so odd and why they are what they're trying to do. If anyone out there does know why these colors are changing to this extent, please drop a comment down there and let us know, because, inquiring minds want to know. All right, hey, it's a nice view though, and it's a lovely day here in Vegas. Wish y'all were here. Let's keep on rocking and rolling and riding. I don't know what that is, kind of swamp, whatever. Here's a ground level view. Look at hay bales here. Hay bales? Maybe someone knows, I don't know why. This is the construction area. Messy as usual, no big deal. Things must be stored somewhere. Various boxes and tubing, piping, and so on. And there's a crane right there. All right. There's the top. And this little round portion right here, I wonder what that's going to be. All right, you guys. Hey. And there is the West Gate over there. And if we turn around into the sun, there is Fashion Show, the Palazzo, the Wynn, and TI, and the Mirage. And as you guys know, the owner of TI purchased Circus for a nice little sum of money. And I think that's a meeting room right there, or meeting conference halls right there. I believe that in the background. Yeah, like I said, the glass almost goes all the way up to the top. And there is something, what is that on top? I don't know what that is. Okay, great. All right, let's keep going, ever forward. Guys, this is a tough shot to get with the sun in the background, so sorry about that. But as you can see, things are coming along nicely here with the Resorts World Las Vegas. And this is a short video today, you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm trying to get to the donut bar before they sell out. It's almost noon and they're usually closed by then. My bad luck. I was watching Bubba Hotep on YouTube this morning and it absorbed a lot of my time. Interesting flick. Bubba, B-U-B-B-A-H-O-T-E-P. Bubba Hotep. Anyway, you guys, that's my movie recommendation for today. And hope you all have a great day. Hope you all have a great time wherever you are. And as always, my friend, OneManOneCamera. Take care. Have a great day, afternoon, or evening. Thanks for watching. Cheers.